So in this lecture we are going to be talking about another torchbearer in the making of Pakistan, that was Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. So let's learn more about him and his life and his early life. So how did we remember Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar? We remember Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar as a Muslim leader, an activist, scholar, a writer and a poet who played an inspiring role in freedom movement. His writing and speeches played a very important role in inspiring Muslims. Basically, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was a very good writer, and he was a very educated person as well, and he played a very huge role in the making of Pakistan and the freedom movement. And all the speeches he used to do at that time were very inspiring for the people, and he was basically a very good writer. So he used to write his own speeches and give a speech, and spoke about it, and they were very inspiring to the Muslims at that time. What do you know about? Let's talk about the early life of Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. So Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was born on 10th December 1878 in Rampur, India. He studied at the Anglo-Orient College in Aligarh and eventually went to Oxford University, where he was awarded honors in modern history. So basically he studied modern history from Oxford University. So let's look at the contributions that he played as a writer. So Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar wrote for English newspapers like The Times, Observer and the Manchester Guardian. He published Commodore on an English language newspaper from Calcutta. The Urdu language paper Hamdard was also published by him. So most of his writings were in English, but he also had writings in newspaper named Hamdard. I think it's still in progress, or ये अभी भी आता है. If you it was basically right now it's basically for kids only. What do you know about his political career? So here we are going to talk about the political career of Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Muhammad Ali Johar was one of the founders and the president of All India Muslim League. As you might have already know, All India Muslim League क्या थी? It was a Muslim political party. He supported खिलाफत मूवमेंट, जैसे पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट थी उस तरह से खिलाफत मूवमेंट भी थी, और उसको ये सपोर्ट करते थे. And in the process of supporting the movement, he was also arrested. He was also jailed for 2 years for protesting against the British. तो खिलाफत मूवमेंट बेसिकली क्या करती थी? ब्रिटिशर्स के खिलाफ थी. तो जो है उसमें इन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया, and he also went to the jail and served there for 2 years. He joined the Congress and became its president in 1923. In 1930, he attended the Round Table Conference held in London, where he made a speech stating he wanted to return to a free nation. तो मतलब he started supporting Pakistan movement and he wanted a separate homeland for Muslims. So when did he died and where was he buried? So he died on 4th January 1931, which was way before Pakistan was made, as Pakistan was made in 1947, and he was buried in Jerusalem in the courtyard of Al-Aqsa Mosque. Jerusalem is a city in Israel, and Al-Aqsa Mosque is also in Israel, and I am sure you must have heard the name of two of them. So he is buried in Al-Aqsa Mosque. Moreover, you also have a handout for Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. I want you all to read it so that you may have a more detailed understanding about his life and who was he and what type of person he was.